tight.
Today you join me, Adam Ivel, and Tom Peck, who is currently over Peck. So, you join us today working on this absolute little peach. It's not peach anyway, it's not a peach at all. We're going to be doing some bits on this today. Jesus. We're going to be doing some bits of this. We're finishing off the gearbox. I'm doing the rocker cover shit. So, we'll just see how it goes. Wow.
They're tight.
Way! Look at that tread on that, mate. That's beautiful. No 3 points over there. Let's give you an update on where we're at. I haven't really filmed much because I've been super busy trying to get my contacts all sorted for the podcast, because that will be coming back. I've ordered 2 microphones. It won't be a filmed podcast. It's all going to be recorded instead of just watching people talk to a microphone. I'll just put a nice pretty picture for you to look at while we do that. But I'm getting some big names lined up. Let me know down below in the comments who you'd like to see. I've been in contact with like Lee Lockwood, TGE. I know Monkey will be up for it anyway. Gianni from Status Era, Jimmy Up, Zosh, loads of people. We're going to try and get some Peck as well. Peck will be the first one. Peck's going to be the first podcast we do. It's going to be me and him talking shit for probably about an hour. So that should be cool. So what we are, fucking, you cunt. People are going to think I'm fucking staged that, you dickhead. I've got right metal. Peck's still under the car. We lost all of the bolts, which was really annoying. Oh, you got a text.
You got a text! It's probably code.
Yeah, it is. We lost all the bolts, so we've had to find them. I'm never ever building a car again. I've decided losing bolts is just so shit.
This car, you took it apart.
You took it apart. I didn't touch it.
You moved the bolt.
I have been degreasing the rocker covers, but they are coming out so shit, and it's so cold I can't be asked to set up the thing. So I don't know what I'm going to do there. Maybe just dry them off and spray them silver. That might be an idea. And once we've done a bit more, I'll update you all again, and we'll see where the car is at. It needs a drain bolt for the fucking gearbox. I didn't even consider that when we were doing this, which is really annoying.
One more fucking time.
Has anybody watched, I'm recording now, has anybody watched Ross to Riches on Netflix? And do you not think that the 2 main characters, what's the main guy's name? There's Caveman and then the main geese. Do you not, yeah, the boss man, do you not think that could be me and Peck in like 20 years?
Now.
Push where?
It's a first lock. Look, move your hand. Look.
Right, so we've got way cleaner rocker cover. Look at how much better they look, Peck. They still look shit, but they look so much better. Look.
Yeah, they do look better actually.
So much better than what they used to look like. So, should I spray them silver? What do you reckon? Should I dry them up and just fucking spray them silver? Give them a 1, 2, 1, 2. Might check, might check. Should I tidy that up and spray them on there?
Do it purple.
Well, I'll spray them silver and then pass over the top.
Purple dots.
Let's do it! Let's do it! So we're just gonna like this is a shit car. This is just like a banter car, isn't it? So I'm just heating it up here into most of the water because it's fucking freezing. And then we're gonna wipe it down with the rag, blue rag.
Why would you wipe it down? It's gonna dry.
No, because I'm just getting any excess dust off of it.
Dust?
Yeah.
With a heat gun?
Not with this, you fucking melt.
Oh, right.
I wanna get the fucking rag and do that.
Cool.
Fuck's sake.
Cool.
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 Mate, look at how good they actually look. Should I do it in purple now over the top?
No, do it like...
Oh no!
Oh yeah, it looks well...
Oh, it looks so shit.
So shit.
No, that looks so shit.
So bad. Wipe it off. Where's it? You got a rag? just wipe it off as best you can. And then, you know, use something like this. So I'd laugh if that didn't stick now. That whole corner will be fucked.
Never mind. Never mind. So now it's time for rocker cover gaskets, but I can't find the ones we need and I'm not paying £30 for them because that's like literally over a tenth of the car. Oh. Okay, it's time for gaskets. So I'm going to use instant gasket by Granville Halford Special. So basically you just draw it on, and I haven't even cleaned this that well.
Oh my good God, I'll tell you something in a minute.
A lot of you like question me why I've got this car. I question myself, don't worry why I've got this car. But the main reason is I've actually started a welding course now and really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. But I'm gonna need something to practice on, so I've got a really cheap welder that I bought from a, what are they called? A boot sale. And I have a really cheap car to practice on. So it's gonna be good for me, even if I don't film much of it. But if you wanna watch the progress of my welding, when I actually start doing bits on this, then I'll show you. I'm happy to do that. Just let me know down below and I can do like a video welding up the wheel arch or stuff and the back seal eventually. I'm going to be a lot more hands-on in the future because I've really started to get stuck in recently and I actually love it. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Are you enjoying it, Peck?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the old days man down here, you mate. Fucking awful. So I'm just going to tidy up the rocker cover plastic thing. What would you call that? The fuck is that?
Plug cover.
Plug cover.
Yeah.
Get it on because the rocker cover looks so good in silver. How fucking good it looks, mate. Look at that, a lick of fucking paint that wasn't even done well. Mate, I'm over the chops with that. I think that's fucking sick. Hang on, wait. What? Hang on, wait. What are you doing?
Put the battery tray back in.
We could clean that up.
I'm not spraying a battery tray. It's only covered by
Mate, look at how good that looks. I'm literally over the... I think that looks fucking sick.
That's good.
And it took, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
What?
Where is your cap?
Oh, it was on there.
Huh?
It was on there.
Where?
On your table.
No, I left it over there.
No, you didn't. It was on here.
Where?
What's that? It says something about it. Yeah.
Where is it, Pat?
It was on here.
On where?
On this table. If you're fucking messing with me because you want to get the call you. I knew you had it.
You didn't. You were like, where is it? How can you say you knew I had it?
I literally went.
You literally didn't know where it was.
I literally goes. You better be fucking hiding this for your fucking little fucking views. And he fucking was. Wanker.
Wait. That looks fucking sick. But I think the oil leak's coming from that bit, not the other bit.
The head gasket.
Is that the head gasket
I
there?
presume so.
And then that's another problem we can resolve another time.
Yeah, definitely.
Man, this car's not big enough for the two of us to be doing stuff on at the same time. Peck, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, mate. That actually looks amazing. Okay, as tonight has drawn to a close, I just want to say thank you so much if you've stuck around and watched. It's not the usual kind of vloggy video. It's been me and Peck dicking about on a car, really, and it's been a lot of fun for me. I don't know about for these guys, but I want to say thank you for watching anyway. Make sure you give Tom Peck a follow on Instagram, and also me if you're feeling kind and fruitful. And yeah, but remember, just drop us some questions down below for a podcast. It'll be me and T Pecker in one very, very soon. With this thing behind me, the next time you see this, we're going to be doing obviously putting the oil in the gearbox and the motor oil, the gear oil in the car, so we can go do a reverse first, because that's all I've wanted to do in this car since buying it. And then we're going to do a whole overview of the car as it stands right now. So all the mods will jack up in the air, get all the stuff in the air, so you can see how badly rusted it is underneath, because you can tell in the engine bay how badly rusted it is in there. This thing is going to be my personal little project of learning how to weld, and I've got something to learn on. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and hopefully Peck will be about as much as he can. Obviously he has dad business he has to do, like looking after his kid some days, so it's just it is what it is. I don't have full reign of Pecker anymore, but yeah, the Saxo is here, and I hope you guys will like it. I understand that having so many projects on the go can be quite frustrating to watch, because it's not really like coherent, but this is just what my life is, and I put it on YouTube like a moron. So thank you again for watching, and yeah, I guess that's it really. Got nothing else to say.
Thank you and good night.
Thank you and good night, Dad. Peace.
Shall we?